Hello my friends. In this video, we will examine the SolChicks metaverse game created on the Solana network. When we look at the SolChicks features, it looks very exciting. You will see this when we examine the game in more detail soon. But before moving into the game, if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to support the channel by subscribing and liking the video. Now let's examine the project in more detail. SolChicks is an NFT game built on the Solana blockchain. The basic logic and purpose of the game will be to get ahead of other players and win prizes by having the strongest SolChick NFT. In this, you have to upgrade your SolChick's abilities, items and level. In order to gain experience, money and items, you must fight with other players collectively or one-on-one. There are currently 10,000 SolChicks NFTs on the Solana Art NFT platform, and the floor price is approximately 6 Sol. In addition, the game has more than 300,000 followers on Twitter. We see that the interest in the game is quite high. This is one of my favorite systems in the game. In the game, there will be a village that is said to be large. All players will be able to roam this village with their own avatars. The village will have markets, shops, arenas, and areas with bosses you can kill. You can trade from markets and shops. You can even set up your own shop on the land you bought with your team or clan and sell items, potions and pets. It will also be here in the shops where things like weapons, armor, and potions can be crafted. You can even create your own arena on your own land and organize your own tournaments there. To start the game, you must have at least one SolChicks NFT in Solana wallet. You can use your own NFT as an avatar in the game, or you can pay 1 Sol to create a unique non-NFT avatar. There are 60 levels to upgrade your character in the game. The last level you can upgrade your NFT to is 60. And these 60 levels are divided into 4 different phases. The first phase is the tutorial. It is between level 1 and level 15 and is expected to be completed in 1 week with normal game time. This stage allows the player to get used to the game interface and the attachment mechanics of their pets such as nutrition, happiness and hunger. Your pet is still a baby and cannot participate in PvP battles until they reach higher levels. The second phase is fledgling. It is between 16 and 30 levels. At this stage, players will be able to earn simple rewards and experience by participating in PvP battles. Through these battles, players will learn and master the combat mechanics. The third phase is progression. It is between 30 and 45 levels. Once your SolChick reaches level 30, it will have gained some basic skills. Players will be able to participate in all battles and gain high earnings and experience. This is the stage where players begin to prepare for the end of the game by accumulating resources and experience. The last phase is endgame. It is between level 45 and 60. This stage is the last stage of the game, and your pet will have learned 40 basic skills. Now you can participate in all the battle modes, big tournaments and difficult missions in the game. You can earn high experience points and great rewards. After completing all these stages, a player can now start breeding new SolChick and can start their new pet directly from level 30 with the game points earned. In addition, if you have 2 SolChick above 45 levels, you can have a baby pet by breeding them. The pet inherits traits from its parents but comes at a random rarity level. There are battle modes such as 1 vs 1, 2 vs 2, 3 vs 3 and clan wars in the game. Before entering the battle, you will be directed to a lobby to choose your 10 skills and items for that battle. You will then be matched with opponents of similar levels and points as you. The battle will continue until you defeat or miss your opponent. And at the end of the battle you will gain experience, abilities, points and rewards. It will also rise in your ranking. Since your pet will be damaged after the battle, it will need a certain regeneration time, but if you want, you can fight again during this time. Each SolChick starts with 5 skill slots at level 16, eventually increasing to 10 at level 45. Some skills may take multiple slots depending on their strength and balancing. A skill can only be equipped if it meets SolChick's requirements to use the skill and in some rare cases certain stats. To use a skill in battle, the player must equip the skill before battle. Equipped skills cannot be changed during battle. There are active, passive and trigger skills in the game. We don't have much information about the skills at the moment, so we'll wait for the game to start. You can earn money in many ways in the game. Since the game is a metaverse, and if the producers can set the necessary environment, you can find almost unlimited ways to earn money. But now I will give you a few simple ideas. First of all, you can only focus on battles. For this, you can earn rewards by improving your pet, participating in battles alone, or with your team. You can also breed SolChick if you think you are good. If you have enough time and skill, you can raise many pets and sell them to other players. Of course, another way is to trade. Trading is not for everyone, but skilled players can generate really high incomes. They can sell the items or pets they bought at affordable prices to other players at a high price. You can also create your own items and earn profit from them. You can also generate income by building your own arena and starting your own tournaments. As I said, you can find many ways for yourself to earn in the game. We will see these ways much better when the game starts. Chicks token, which is the token of the game, is currently traded around 2 cents. It has a total supply of 10 billion and the amount in circulation is 388 million. You can currently buy the token for USDT on Gate.io and MEXC global exchanges and USDC on Radium exchanges. Commission discounted reference links where you can register to Gate.io and MEXC global exchanges are available in the descriptions of the video. You can buy from these exchanges with confidence. Here we come to the end of the video. If you like it, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next videos. Goodbye.